Welcome everybody, I'm Grady and this is Uncle Sweetie's Model Works. Today I have an actual stash ad. They're going to be few and far between with me because, well, budgets become an issue. But today I've got an actual stash ad. And that is the AMT 67 Chevelle, what is this, Pro Street? Yeah, AMT 67 Chevelle Pro Street. A lot of you guys, if you've been modeling for long, you know this kit, and this is one. This is one I really like, and I'm gonna do. And it's fairly new release. If you see anything you like in this, you can go grab you one too. I I got a good deal, so I hit the Hobby Lobby website with 40% off model kits and ended up with free shipping. But for right now, I'm going to show you what's in the kit real quick, why this kit's so special if you don't know. And if you do know, well, I'm going to show you again. Okay, we're going to take, this is, let's look at the 67 Chevelle Pro Street Take 2, because I wasn't paying attention to the orientation of the video recording again. Alright, let's get at it. Open box. Alright, the first thing in this kit that is a big deal is the tires. And I've already cut open all the bags because I don't want to cut myself while I'm trying to mess around with filming. You don't want to see my blood. I don't want to see my blood. So here's the deal with the tires. You got two super skinny race tires for the fronts, and for the backs you've got big hefty meats for out back. You've got one set of treads and one set of Goodyear slicks. That's one of the big draws for this kit. Alright, you've got your 67 Chevelle body. This kit looks like it's starting to be used quite a bit. It's going to need a lot of cleanup on those edges. I should have pulled this apart before I did this, but I didn't. So there's body, and here's chassis. Pretty simple, but it is the tub chassis in the back. The tub chassis in the back points for your rear end mounting. But this, you can cut this down, cut it, shrink it. This can back half just about any model kit you can come up with. At least as far as I know, as far as I've heard. How about that? As far as I've heard. Alright, we've got clear and reds. We're going to leave those in the bag. And we've got the chrome tree. Here's your rear end. It is not trying to be a 4-link. I don't know what that type of rear end is called, but it's got wheelie bars, so you've got a wheelie bar rear end. Here's your high-rise manifold. The chrome looks good, but some of the edges on those bumpers, I don't know. Do I see? I don't see. Oh yeah, there they are. There they are. The high-rise air intakes. And you got deep rear wheels, super shallow skinnies for your your skinny minis out front and your big meats out back. A couple of things going to need to be dechromed. Yeah, some of that doesn't look like you really want to deal with it. But alright, here's this bag, the whites bag. Here is hood scoop, and there's a part somewhere in here that already came off the hood scoop, but that hood scoop's independent. You can put that on just about anything as well. Here we go with the long tube headers with no exhaust option, and they look pretty good. I imagine you could fit those to a lot of things. Here's your racing seats. Pretty detailed in there. It'd be nice to clean up. There's your roll cage parts, and that short axle racing rear end. Parachute on the back. Pop these out. Ooh. Pop those out over there. Door cards, such as they are. I guess since it is a Pro Street, it does have some detail on the door cards. There's that rear seat delete, the Chevy emblem. I really do like that. Dashboard steering wheel, wheel backs. There is my other piece of the hood scoop. It's the square style hood scoop, in case you're wondering. Firewall, radiator support. It does have positionable steering. If you can happen to use the whole chassis for another kit. There's the engine. It is a Pro Street race engine. There's no specifics on what size it is, what cubic inch. The headers are really detailed with the not valves, cams, no, valve lifters. I don't remember. I don't remember. Got you some hood hinges, some other things, two-piece brake booster. Once again, that is steerable wheeling, positionable steering. There's the hood, which I don't know if you can see that or not if I get it up close. There's a cutout for the hood scoop. And with the, I don't know, the lifts that are already on it, that's going to be kind of odd because that hood scoop's going to come out kind of right in the middle of all of that. I have to see how that works out. Alright, well that is all the parts. And here is decals. I'm not going to open those up. I like to keep those nice and crisp. And we'll show you the instructions real quick. Alright, there's that race engine with your high-rise intake. It's going to look pretty good sticking through that hood. Again, more engine, high-rise intake, or high-rise manifold. There's your velocity stacks. Coming over to step 3, you've got your roll cage. There's that rear delete panel with that Chevy emblem. Man, I like that. Not much to say about the interior. Oh yeah, the engine, I guess up here and down here with those long tube headers. I really like those. I imagine you can put those on quite a few different things too. And step 6 has your positionable steering. And you know, when I do mine, I do like to be able to position the steering, but I do not like the wheels to roll. So where it says do not glue to, yeah, do not glue to the axle or whatever it says, whenever it says that, I glue them to the axle because I don't want my models to roll off the shelf, because they are not toys. When I'm done, they are for display. So there's that. And back side is hood, glass, final assembly, decals. There you go. So that is the AMT 67 Chevelle Pro Street. Once again, this is a fabulous kit for kit bashing. If you like to build the Pro Streets, the Pro Stocks, if you're a fan of that, especially if you can catch that Hobby Lobby sale, pick this kit up for $17 and change. Or I may have picked up more than one. I'm gonna turn you back around and close this out. So we'll see if I did or not. And thank you guys for joining me. Help me out with those algorithms. Trying to get a little traction with the subscriber base, the watch hours. You know, everybody'd kind of like to monetize their channel a little bit. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate all the subscribers. I appreciate everybody that comments on the videos. Also, some of my videos you've noticed, and maybe in this one too, I tell you about my mistakes. I'm gonna continue to do that. I'm gonna tell you what I do to adapt to my mistakes, because you can't let a mistake or something unfortunate or unforeseen circumstance, you can't let it stop what you're doing. You can't let it set you back. I was talking just last night with one of my local hobby shop owners that, he sees a lot of YouTube channels, and they focus strictly on gunplay and Gundam and Bandai and that kind of stuff. But a lot of their builders, they'll hit one snag in a kit and just toss the whole thing. And I like learning from all of you guys that don't do that, how to fix things, how to work around issues that come up. Don't let one little thing get you down. I'm going to make mistakes. You're going to make mistakes. I'm going to let you know what I do to get through those mistakes. And hopefully, this time, this video comes out in correct orientation. See ya. And so for the excellent deal and for this stash shed that I don't have a budget for, I've been saving for this for quite a while. I've been waiting on the sale for quite a while. The combination of the 40% off plus the free shipping. So, yeah, I got 67 Chevelle Pro Street AMT. Great. I got 1. I got 2. 3. 4. 5. And 6. So, if you know this kit, you know what we do with it. Well, I haven't done it yet. I have a couple of projects in mind that I would like to pro street, some kind of unusual kits that don't often get pro streeted. A lot of people, if you don't know this kit and you're new to modeling, people that like hot rods, people that like pro stock racing, pro street racing, this car has 2 sets of tires, a back half, hopefully a suspension that you can I shouldn't say cut and paste, but that you can cut and paste into other kits to have a good look with a tubbed rear end, big fat tires, skinny fronts, and have yourself a pro street whatever you want. That's going to be it for today, guys. Thanks for joining me. Again, please hit that like, please hit that subscribe, and you all have a great day. Thanks.